Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe. So today we are going to make a very tasty recipe which is Avarekai mutton curry. So without wasting any time, let's get started and check out the recipe. So over here we have 1 kg of fresh mutton which I've already washed. So next into this add half tablespoon of turmeric. So next into this add 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. Next into this add salt. Add salt as per as your taste. So now mix all these together. So make sure that the mutton is coated well with all the masala. So after mixing this well, let it marinate for a while. So meanwhile, let's start making a curry. For that, take a pressure cooker. Next into this, pour oil. So always make sure that when you're making chicken or a mutton at your place, make sure that you add more oil. And once the oil is hot, next into this add 2 finely sliced onions and green chilies. So now saute this well. So saute this until the onion turns into golden brown color. So now as you can see, our onions have changed into golden brown color. So next into this add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So saute this well, make sure that you keep the flame on medium to low and then saute this well. So our mutton has been marinated for a while. So now add the marinated mutton into the pressure cooker. You can just rest the mutton for about 10 minutes. And after resting the mutton for 10 minutes, add it into the pressure cooker. So now mix the mutton well. So you have to cook the mutton well until the water in the mutton has been completely evaporated. So next into this add 1 finely chopped tomato. Give this a good mix. So next into this add 1 tablespoon of dhania powder. Give this a good mix. Next add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Give this a good mix. So now as you can see, the water in the mutton has been completely evaporated and you can see that the oil is floating. So next into this add salt as per as your taste. So now mix this well. So over here I'm not adding the red chili powder because I've already added the red chili powder during the mutton marination. So next into this pour water. So add water as your wish. If you want your curry to be more thick, then don't add more water. If you want your curry to be more loose, then add water. So after adding the water, make sure that you mix it well. So now cover the pressure cooker with the lid. So let the mutton cook for about 5 whistles. And once you get 5 whistles, take off the pressure cooker lid. So now as you can see that our mutton has been cooked well. So now mix this well. Our mutton looks super delicious, but we still have one more step to do, which is adding the avarekai. So over here we have the fresh avarekai. So this is how it looks. This is one of the famous recipe in Karnataka. So now gently add the avarekai into the pressure cooker. So after adding the avarekai in the pressure cooker, mix this well. So avarekai gets cooked very fast. It's like a small seed. So Avarekai is used in many dishes in Karnataka. You get this only during December. So next into this add fresh coriander leaves. So now pressure cook this for about 2 whistles. So cover it up with the lid and you have to cook this until you get 2 whistles. And once you get 2 whistles, take out the pressure cooker lid. So now you can see that our tasty and delicious Avarekai mutton curry is ready. So now it's time to mix it well. So mix it well. You can serve this dish with rice, roti or anything you want. It tastes amazing. So now turn off the stove and transfer the curry into the serving bowl. And you can also make this curry without Avarekai. This tastes very delicious. So I would recommend you guys to do try this at your home. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. So there you go. The very tasty and delicious Avarekai mutton curry is ready. Do try this recipe at your home. And if you like this video, make sure that you like, share and subscribe to our channel.